Okay, so good day, grade 6. So we are now on the 6th week for the first quarter in Mathematics 6. So our topic for today is about multi-step problem solving involving whole numbers and decimals. So after going through this lesson, you are expected to solve multi-step problems involving multiplication and addition or subtraction of decimals, mixed decimals, and whole numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. So for the learning task 1, let us enumerate the 4 steps in solving simple problems. Kung natatandaan nyo, meron tayong 4 steps na ginagamit natin sa pag-solve ng problem. So yun yung UPSC. So U stands for understand. So yun yung unang step natin. We have to understand and determine what is asked and the given data or facts. So understand muna, intindihin muna natin yung problem. And then after we understand the problem, we will go to the second step, which is, di ba, UPSC. P stands for plan. So let us plan the operation to be used and make our number sentence. And after we plan, we will solve. So solve na po natin using our number sentence. And for step 4, so after natin mag-solve, hindi basta-basta matatapos lang doon, we have to check if the answer satisfy the problem. So multi-step word problems are combination of fundamental operations which includes hidden questions. So kaya nga siya multi-step. So madaming step na ginagawa sa word problem. So it contains hidden questions. So yung parang isosolve nyo muna yung mga hidden questions to answer the final problem or final question. Here, you will be able to think deeply and improve your higher order thinking skills to solve the problem. So first problem, so learning task 2, so we will solve the given problems. So the first problem is Mr. Fernandez earns 28 pesos and 50 centavos per hour as an office clerk. He earns 1 and 7,500 times as his regular rate for overtime. His regular work is 40 hours per week. He gets overtime pay if he works more than 40 hours. How much is his total earning if he works 45 hours in 1 week? So, let us first understand the problem. So, sabi daw, si Mr. Fernandez, so kumikita siya ng 28 pesos and 50 centavos kada oras. So, yun po siya. So, ang regular work niya is 40 hours. So, 40 hours, tapos kada isang oras is 28 and 50 centavos. So, magkano lahat yon para makuha natin yung regular pay. So, yun muna yung alamin natin. So, magkano ba yung regular pay? Kasi ang tanong dito is, magkano daw yung kikitain niya sa 45 hours? Eh, sabi dyan, kapag sumobra daw sa 40 hours, magbabayad naman siya ng overtime. So, yung overtime natin ay mas mataas daw ng 1 and 7,500 times kaysa dun sa regular pay. So, magkano ba yung regular pay? So, first, we will solve how much will Mr. Fernandez receives as regular pay. So, that is 40 hours times 28 and 50 centavos. Okay, so yun muna isasolve natin. So, yung 40, yung regular pay muna. Kasi sumobra siya ng, ilan ba sumobra dito? 5. So, 40 hours lang yung regular pay niya. So, kapag sinolve natin to, so hindi ko na ipapakita kung paano siya sinolve. So, kapag sinolve nyo siya, so pwede nyo i-pause para ma-solve muna kung magkano yon. So, ito po siya. So, 1,140 pesos. So, ito po yung nakukuha niya, regular pay in a week. Ngayon, so, regular pay yon eh 45 hours nga. So, may sumobrang 5 dun sa 40 hours na regular hours niya ng pagtatrabaho. So, yung 5 hours, yun yung overtime. Eh, yung overtime daw, mas mataas daw ng 1.75 kaysa sa regular. So, ang regular natin ay 28 and 50 cents. Mas mataas daw na 1.75 times. So, ito, pagka-times nyo muna yon. And then, pag nakuha nyo ito, yung 28.5 times 1.75, ito times nyo naman yung 5. Saan nakuha yung 5? Yung sumobrang hours sa 40 hours. So, para makuha natin ang overtime pay. So, kapag sinolve nyo to, ang makukuha natin is 249 pesos and 38 centavos. Ngayon, ano sunod natin gagawin? So, nandito na yung ating regular pay, nandito na yung ating overtime pay. So, ano na sunod natin gagawin? Ang tanong is, his total earnings. So, total earnings, kabuuan yon. So, ipag-a-add lang natin yung regular pay at saka yung overtime pay. So, yan. And kapag pinag-add natin yan, ang makukuha natin is 1,389 and 38 centavos. So, ito po yung final answer natin. So, yun pa makukuha niya kapag nagtrabaho siya ng 45 hours in 1 week. Then, number 2, Lucy earns 1,525 pesos a week. So, ito yung kinikita niya, 1,525 pesos a week. She sets aside 15% of this for savings. So, 15% ng 1,525, tinatabi niya para sa savings. So, nag-iipon siya. How much does she save in a year? So, ito kada linggo siya. So, kada linggo siya nagsisave ng 15% dito sa kanyang kinikita. Ngayon, ilan daw pag isang taon? So, napakadami nun, di ba? So, di ba ang kada isang buwan, ilang linggo ang isang buwan? 4. So, sabi dito, may hint naman siya para hindi nyo na daw isolve kung ilang weeks ang isang taon. So, 52 weeks daw ang isang taon. So, anong gagawin natin? Kunin muna natin kung magkano ba. Ito yung hidden question dyan. So, how much is her savings for in a week? Okay? So, solve muna natin yun kasi yun yung hidden question dyan. So, we will multiply 1,525 by 15%. And yung 15%, pwede natin siyang i-convert as 15 hundreds. So, 1,525 times 15 hundreds. So, ang makukuha po natin is 228 pesos and 75 centavos. So, kada linggo, ito yung kanyang iniipon. So, may malaki siyang iniipon. Ano? So, magkano daw yan kung sa loob ng isang taon? Ito yung linggo-linggo siya naguhulog ng ganito. So, i-multiply natin yung 228 and 75 centavos sa 52. And ang makukuha natin is 11,895 pesos. So, yan. Kung naghuhulog ka pala ng kada linggo ng 228 pesos and 75 centavos, makakuha ka sa loob ng isang taon ng 11,895 pesos. So, malaki-laki din. Next, for number 3, Mrs. Briones has a monthly pay of 50,000 pesos. So, kada buwan, so may nare-receive si Mrs. Briones ng 50,000 pesos. The withholding tax deducted from her monthly salary is 5,275 pesos and 75 centavos. So, syempre, itong kita niya na 50,000, may tax pong binabawas dyan. So, ito yung binabawas sa kanyang sweldo. So, 5,275 pesos and 75 centavos. So, magkano ngayon yung kanyang nare-receive sa loob ng isang taon? So, magkano daw kada isang buwan? 50,000. Pero, hindi pa yun yung naiuwi niya. Binabawasan pa yun ng tax na 5,275 pesos and 75 centavos. So, magkano talaga yung nakukuha niya sa kada buwan? So, paano gagawin yun? Susubtract natin yung 50,000 pesos sa 5,275 pesos and 75 centavos. So, pag pinag-subtract natin yan, ang makukuha natin difference is 44,724 pesos and 25 centavos. So, ito talaga yung nakukuha niya kada buwan. Ang tanong dito, what is the actual pay she receives in a year? So, sa isang taon, magkano yung kanya nakuha sa isang taon? So, ito ay kada buwan. So, ilan bang months meron sa isang year? So, yun ay 12 months. So, kaya itong 44,000 ay i-multiply natin sa 12. And, ang makukuha natin is 536,691 pesos. So, ito yung nakukuha ni Mrs. Briones sa loob ng isang taon. Next, so let us solve the given problems using the steps in solving word problems. So a clerk is paid 45 pesos and 50 centavos per hour for 40 hours per week. 1 and 50 hundredths times the regular rate for overtime and double the regular for a holiday. How much does the clerk get if he works overtime for 3 hours and 5 hours on a holiday? So parang halos katulad to nung previous learning task natin. Ang pinagkaiba lang dito, dalawa na siya. Merong rate para sa overtime, meron ding rate for holiday. So ang binabayad sa clerk kada oras ay 45 pesos and 50 centavos. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng tatlong hidden questions. Una natin, magkano yung binabayad sa kanya sa regular pay? So, kung 45 and 50 centavos sa isang oras, ilang oras pa siya nagtatrabaho sa isang linggo? 40 hours. So, magkano lahat yon? Ito ay regular pay niya lang. So, magkano yon? So, ito siya. So, magkano yung 45 pesos and 50 centavos times 40? So, yun po ay 1,820 pesos. So, yung nakukuha niya, regular pay po yun. Now, ang tanong kasi dito, how much does the clerk get if he works overtime for 3 hours? So, 3 hours sa overtime. Ang overtime ay mas mataas ng 1.50 times the regular rate. So, mas mataas dito ng 1.5 times. Okay, so paano yun? So, kunin na natin yung regular pay times 1.50 times 3. Okay, kasi regular rate is 45 times 45.50. Okay, so yung pag minultiply natin yan, ang makukuha natin is 204 and 75 centavos. Okay, so yun po ang bayad sa kanya sa overtime niya. Now, ang holiday niya is 5 hours siya nagtrabaho. Ang holiday daw ay doble ng regular rate. So, ito yung regular rate niya, doble daw niyan kada oras. So, 45.50 times 2 is 91. Times 5 is 455. Ngayon, pagkatapos natin makuha yung regular pay, yung overtime pay, at saka holiday pay, anong gagawin natin? So, syempre, pagkasama-samahin natin yan through addition, and ang makukuha natin is 2,479 pesos and 75 centavos. Next, we have problem number 2. Sarah works 8.5 hours a day from Monday to Friday and 6.75 hours on Saturday. If she paid 55 pesos and 25 centavos per hour, how much does she earn in a week? So, from Monday to Friday, ang kanyang tinatrabaho is, nagtatrabaho siya ng 8.5 hours kada araw. Ilang araw ba yung Monday to Friday? So, that is 5 days. Ang kada isang oras niya pagtatrabaho is 55.25 pesos. So, kada isang oras niya pagtatrabaho, nakakuha siya ng 55 pesos and 25 centavos. From Monday to Friday, 5 days yon, and kada oras is 8.5, kada araw is 8.5 hours po, magkano lahat yon na binabayad sa kanya? So, i-multiply nyo yung rate niya, 55.25, tas ilang oras pa siya, 8.5 hours. Then, ilang araw ba yon from Monday to Friday? That is 5. So, ang makuha niya dyan is 2,348 pesos and 13 centavos. Then, sa Saturday daw, isang araw lang naman ng Saturday. So, 6 and 75 hundredths hours ang trabaho niya sa Saturday. So, yun po ay multiply nyo rin sa regular rate. So, ang makukuha niyo dyan is 372 pesos and 94 centavos. So, nung uling gagawin dyan sa dalawang yan, so, ipag-a-add lang po natin. And ang makukuha po natin is 2,721 pesos and 7 centavos. Then we have number 3. Mr. Paron sells fruits in the market. Banana cost 25 pesos per kilogram and grapes cost 180 pesos per kilogram. A customer bought 5 and 25 centavos 5 and 2,500 kilos of banana and 3 and 7,500 kilograms of grapes. How much will the customer pay? So, magkano daw po ang banana per kilo? So, 25 pesos. Tapos, bumili siya ng 5 and 25 kilos of banana. So, magkano lahat yung binayaran niya? So, multiply natin, ang makukuha natin dyan is 131 pesos and 25 centavos. Ngayon, bumili rin yung customer ng 3 and 7,500 kilograms of grapes. Ang isang kilo ng grapes ay nagkakahalaga ng 180 pesos. So, i-multiply din natin yan. Ito. So, ang makukuha natin is 675 pesos. So, magkano daw lahat yung binayaran ng customer? So, ipag-add po natin yan and ang makukuha natin is 806 pesos and 25 centavos. So, when the time that you have mastered on how to solve problems and can be able to analyze it, you can answer problems as fast as you can without using the steps. So, if you can solve problems critically, we can also create our own problem. Then, for the learning task 4, we will create a simple problem using the given data. So, first, 80 pineapples at 15 pesos and 25 each. 3 pineapple got rotten. Sold the rest at 20 pesos each amount of gain. So, gagawa kayo ng problem using this given. Okay? So, ito po yung example na problem. So, pwedeng mag-iba kayo ng problem pag nagsusulat kayo dito. So, Maria sells 80 pineapples at 15 pesos and 25 centavos each. 3 pineapples got rotten, so she sold the rest at 20 pesos each. How much more did she gain when she sells the rest for 20 pesos each? So, pwede pong ganyan. So, nandun pa rin naman po lahat yung words. Ito rin, yung gain, nandyan din po siya. Next, number 2. So, ito po yung given natin. So, here is a sample problem for this item. So, an adult ticket costs 25 pesos and 75 centavos, while student ticket costs 15 pesos and 75 centavos. How much will 3 adult tickets and 4 student tickets cost? So, di ba napakasimple lang niya, pero nandun lahat yung given natin. Then, number 3. So, ito po yung given natin. So, pwedeng ganito. So, a worker earns 45 pesos and 55 centavos per hour in a regular pay. He will earn 2 and 5/10 times of regular rate for overtime. How much will he receive if he works 8 hours per regular day and 4 hours of overtime? Okay, so sa problem na to, so isip kayo ng ano ba ang pwede na naglalakbay ng kilometers. Pwedeng nagba-bicycle, so pwedeng merong car, so yun po. So para i-apply nyo dito to yung dapat na may kaugnay din siya dito sa problem, hindi basta gagawa ng problem. So ito example, a delivery man travels 8 and 7,500 kilometers per day. If he makes 6 round trips, how far will he travel in a day? So wala yung total kilometers, so ito na rin po siya. Then, number 5. So, ito po yung given. So, ito yung example. So, Mila takes 7,500 R. So, ito yung may kasamang R sa taas. So, R po ito. Okay, 7,500 R in cleaning the kitchen. So, while Carol takes 2,500 times faster. How long will it take Carol to clean the kitchen? So, ito yung problem na yon. Okay? So that ends our lesson for the 6th week in Mathematics 6. So I hope po marami kayo natutunan sa lesson natin ngayon and I will see you next week.